Welcome back, students. Today we are going to study some problem of physics. Let's have the brainstorming on the problem which is given to us. A body is moving with acceleration of 4 meter per second square is acted by a force of 20 Newton. Compute the mass of the object. Given acceleration is equal to 4 meter per second square. Force is equal to 20 Newton. Find and mass. Now, my dear student, we have studied Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force, and the change in momentum takes place in the direction in which the force is acted. While studying this, we have derived one equation regarding force. Force is equal to ma. Force is equal to ma. Force is 20 m. We don't know. Acceleration is 4. We keep m as it is. 20, 4 will go down. 4 1 the 4, 4, 5 is the 20. M is equal to 5 and the unit of mass is what? Kg. Therefore, the mass of the object is 5 kg. We'll solve the next problem. if an object has zero momentum, there is a body which is having momentum 0. Does it have kinetic energy? Explain. Now students, we have studied there are two types of energy. One is potential energy, another is kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the body by the virtue of its position is called as potential energy. But here what is asked? We have asked about kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body by the virtue of its motion is called as kinetic energy. Means a moving body will have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We know this formula. This can be written as half into m into v into v. This again can be written as half mv into v. So we can write the formula of kinetic energy in this way. But what is this mv? Mv is equal to p, means momentum, and the momentum is given as 0. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to half, momentum will write it as into 0 into v. Kinetic energy is equal to 0. From all this brainstorming, what conclusion can we draw? If an object has zero momentum, then the object will not have kinetic energy or kinetic energy will also be 0. Again, if an object has zero momentum, then the object will not have kinetic energy, because kinetic energy is related to motion and momentum is also related to motion. If there is no momentum, means there is no motion, and if there is no motion, then what happens? The kinetic energy will not be there, or the kinetic energy will also be 0. We will study the next problem. A person travels 72 kilometers in 4 hours. Find its speed in meter per second. We all know distance is given. Time is equal to 4 hours. Speed we have to find out. Distance upon time. Speed is equal to 72 upon 4 kilometer per hour. But my dear student, we have to find the speed in meter per second. So kilometer has to be converted into meter, hours has to be converted into second. Now we have converted it into meter per second. 0, 1 0 cancel, again 1 0, again 1 0 cancel, 2, 3 are 6, 2, 5 are 10. Four, 1 ja 4, 3, 2, 4, 8 ja 32, 0, 0. 4, 1 ja 4, 4, 18 ja 72, 6 is left here, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 3 and 3 is left, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 1 1 left 5. Speed is equal to 5 meter per second. We'll see the next problem. Similar problem we have got. A person travels 108 km in 4 hours. Find the speed in meter per second. Given to us is distance is equal to 108 kilometer. Time is equal to 4 hours. Speed we have to find. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to 108 kilometer upon 4. But speed we have to find in meter per second. So we have to convert it into meter and second. Speed is equal to 108 into 1000 upon hours, minute, second. 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 1 left. 18. 3 6 are 18. 0 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 36. The 108. 6 is left here. 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. 4 5s are 6 5s are 30. Speed is equal to 6 5s are 30 upon 4. 2 2 the 4. 2 15s are 30. Speed is equal to 15 by 2. S double E. Speed is equal to 15th half is 7.5 meter per second. That's all, students. We'll stop here, and then next class we are definitely going to study the next chapter which is given in our syllabus. Thank you.